Breaking the habit. Understanding, swear off something. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, swear off something. This expression is widely used in everyday English, and understanding it can help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's break it down together and explore how you can use it in your conversations. To swear off something means to make a promise to oneself to stop or avoid doing something, especially something harmful or undesirable. It's a commitment to quit a habit, behavior, or consumption of something, like smoking, drinking alcohol, or even consuming sugar. This phrase encapsulates a strong decision to change one's lifestyle or habits for the better. Understanding how to use swear off something in context can greatly improve your conversational skills. Let's look at some examples. After the doctor's advice, John decided to swear off junk food to improve his health. Marie swore off dating for a year to focus on her personal growth. Having realized the negative effects on his sleep, he swore off caffeine after 4 p.m. These examples show the phrase in action, highlighting a decision to stop engaging in specific activities or behaviors. When using swear off something, it's important to remember that it's a strong statement about personal change. Here are a few tips. 1. Use it for significant changes. This phrase is most effective when talking about meaningful decisions to quit or avoid something. 2. Combine with personal reasons. Sharing why you're swearing something off can make your statement more impactful. 3. Future tense. While swore off is past tense, you can also use this phrase to talk about future intentions by saying you will swear off something. Congratulations on adding swear off something to your English vocabulary. This phrase is a powerful way to express a firm decision to quit a habit or behavior. By understanding its meaning and learning how to use it in context, you'll be able to communicate more effectively and sound more like a native speaker. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you use swear off something confidently in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.